Rule 11. Using correct volume and recovery time. To some, just putting in a lot of effort in the gym equals a high-intensity training session. To others, sweating a lot while they're in the gym means high intensity. Some, breathing hard. To others, the word intensity means training with heavier weights and doing each set to complete and total musculature failure, where the weight cannot be moved at all because of the musculature failure. The correct definition of high-intensity training. Training with heavier weights and fewer reps means the most efficient gains in size and strength, as well as maximum recovery time and no lactic acid-induced muscle soreness. Training with lighter weights and less rest time between sets is not nearly as productive for muscle growth and recovery. In addition, your workouts will take 3 to 4 times longer to complete, and you will not damage your muscle as efficiently. Using the lightweight to training failure system does not impose a significant degree of metabolic stress on the muscle, which in turn activates muscle protein synthesis and subsequent muscle mass gains, but no strength due to lack of sufficient muscular tension, even with training to failure with light weights. Regardless of who you are or how advanced in your training you are, lifting proportionately heavy weights with more rest between sets is more likely to produce greater gains in muscular size and strength compared to lifting more moderate weights and taking shorter rest between sets. You must have the intensity, and you have to train real close to failure or to failure, one or the other, and the weight has to be one that challenges you.